gonna show you how to make jook, like congee or what they call it like that. I'm gonna show you how to make a very simple breakfast. So over here I got like 1.5 cups of white rice, and I've like cleaned it already, rinsed it with water, and then I added 1 teaspoon of salt and one teaspoon of olive oil. So I just mix it all up, and then I left it for half to 1 hour. After that we can pour this into hot boiling water. Okay guys, it has been like half to 1 hour, and then I poured some water here. Here's about, as you can see here, is almost like 2 to 3 liters of water here. And then I'm just gonna add the rice into it. Okay, we'll turn the flame high. I think.
Must it stop? Okay, we're just waiting for the water to boil. Once it boils, you'll put the heat back down to medium to low heat, and then it will slowly simmer and cook for about 45 to 1 hour. 45 minutes to 1 hour.
Okay guys, so we're making the congee this side, and last week we made some char siu bao, and we're going to reheat them. You see they have been frozen, so we're just gonna reheat them. It's great to have it with the
jook,
the congee, as you guys say it.
It's actually called congee.
Congee, yes.
Those are frozen.
These has been frozen for like a week. You can check out our previous video on how we made it.
These ones came out really nice and plump. Look at them.
Okay, we only had this left, so we just gotta stack it up as well. Just to do all of them, because the flame is always gonna be the same. So yeah, let's do that, and then we're gonna put it on high heat, and we're gonna steam this for about 20 to 25 minutes, and it should be ready.
And now back to the jook with the congee.
Okay,
You can see it is boiling now.
Okay.
We're going to add 2 little chopsticks on the top of the lid. This will stop the water from foaming.
Okay, so
So
how do you do this? You put it like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we will cover it with its pot lid.
Okay, cover it with a pot lid. Okay.
Okay. Now we slightly lower the heat a little bit.
How much?
Maybe.
Or the lowest?
No, just like medium. Medium is fine. Yeah. That's the lowest.
Medium. Okay. Got this.
Medium, yeah.
Okay.
Medium
Then we just leave it.
And then you just leave it to cook for about.
The rice won't stick at the base.
No, you can see it's all floating around there. And then to make this even more delicious, this is just a basic congee recipe. And then you'll add some nicely stripped
But today we are
lettuce.
making the chicken one.
Oh, we're making the chicken one. Okay, then that's fine. Well, you can still add some nice lettuce to give it some more nice flavors.
Okay. Okay, over here we got some dry scallops that we put in water for over 1 hour now. So now we just breaking it up with our fingers. Okay, now we're gonna pour that into the the congee as well, the jook.
咁放啲mushroom。
Okay, we're also gonna add in some mushrooms.
mushroom 又係浸啦，佢有半個鐘落熱
These
水浸。
were dry Chinese mushrooms. We also put it into 熱水啊。
係啊，用滾水啊。
We also put it into hot water
Yeah.
and we left it for like 1 hour.
係話你咪趕住用凍水浸佢耐啲冇
Because we
水。
were in a hurry, so we put hot water. If you're not in a hurry, you can put cold water.
咁啊洗佢先。
Okay, just gonna rinse it up a bit. Right.
全部落晒都落去啦，你。
Okay.
全部落晒都落去啦。你可以切開佢。
You can cut the mushrooms into pieces. I think if you cut it, it will look better in the soup.
把腳剪上去。
Just gonna use a scissor to cut it into strips.
Yeah.
It will be when we eat the congee, it will be better instead of a big mushroom like that. Okay.
瀝乾啲水。
Alright.
咁洗落去。
Okay, just pull it in there.
有兩嚿雞肉咧。
而家又擺埋落去啊？
係啊，有兩嚿雞胸肉咧，先嚟夾佢先，十佢10分鐘，等佢滾咗咗佢啲污糟嘢出嚟先，啲血水啊咁。
Okay, like these chicken breasts, before we also boiled it with hot water to take out some of the germs and stuff like that out first before we put it into the soup. So as you can see, the soup is very clean. It won't contain its dirt and all that stuff.
雙球放。
And then we're just gonna, the full chicken breast, we're gonna just dump it in there as well. And then I think later on when it's ready, and then we're just gonna shred up the chicken and then spill it back into the congee, the jook.
我中意擠個dry 陳皮。
Okay, we're also gonna add in a dry nectarine peel. In Chinese, it's called chenpi.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think when you add this in, the soup tastes very good. The secret ingredient. 咪得嘅，冚翻個蓋。
Yeah，咁佢煲1 hour 啦。1個鐘頭食粥啦。
Yeah, we're gonna now just a medium heat, leave it like this, boiling for 1 hour.
嗱。
Okay, it has been boiled for 1 hour. As you can see, it looks very nice.
Yeah，嗱，開晒花啦，好面面結結。
All the rice have opened up and all that stuff, as you can see.
Yeah，
Some water has dissolved as well.
好啦，咁間嘢嘅兩嚿雞咧。
Okay, we're gonna take out those 2 chicken breasts and we're gonna shred it up and then we're gonna dump it back into the soup. Then it'll be called the chicken soup. Congee, yeah. Yeah, as you can see, it's not too thick.
Yeah, not too watery.
Not too watery.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is the right consistency.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, it's ready. Just gonna shred up the chicken. Just shred up the chicken breast here. Smells very nice after it has been boiled in the soup.
有啲骨啊，有啲佢攞咗佢出嚟，啲骨啊，啲球啊。
Okay, she's just gonna shred it up now. We'll stop filming for this.
咁啊，小心呢度有嚿骨，有骨嗰啲嘢攞翻佢出嚟。
Yeah, just while you're shredding, there would be some little bones. If there's no bones, just throw it away.
When
you make the soup, you can use any chicken pot you like. We just wanted every spoonful of soup will have some chicken, so we use the chicken breast. You can also use chicken drumsticks, chicken wings, or whatever chicken parts you like to put into your soup. You can even use any type of pork meat or beef meat, whatever types of meat you like. Okay.
Pepper.
Okay, it's ready. We just gonna sprinkle a bit of white pepper on it. A drizzle of soy sauce. And some olive oil. Okay. You just mix it all up. Okay, we're gonna dump it back into the soup. Open back the flame.
Orange skin.
Okay, the dry nectarine skin, you can throw that away. Okay, dump it all in. Okay, mix it all up. Let it boil a bit, and then there we go. We can eat it now.
Okay. When you eat, you can put a little bit of split onion or.
When you eat, you can sprinkle some spring onions. All right. Nice. Okay, it's ready. Let's see this now.
有瑤柱，有冬菇，煲起粥又鮮又香，可以食得2碗㗎。
Smells very good. All right. Okay. Okay, now we just if you sprinkle some spring onions, it will be very nice. Yeah, just like that. Nice. It's ready. Alright. This is the buns. Okay, we're gonna eat this breakfast. Nice.
Yeah.
Guys, it's ready. Look at the soup. Look at that. Oh yes. We just have a bite here. Some chicken here. Some mushrooms here. Have to enjoy with a bun here. Nice. This is the best breakfast you can have. Oh yes, made this last week. Oh yeah, frozen and now still so good. Nice. Thanks guys for watching.